Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Reverse Stockinette Stitch Pattern. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to cast on, how to knit, and how to purl. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those techniques. So I've already casted onto my needle. So for row 1, which will be the wrong side of our work, we are going to knit each stitch. Alright, we're going to turn our work, and row 2 will be the right side of our work, and for row 2 we are going to purl each stitch. So the repeat for this pattern is all odd rows will be knitted and all even rows will be purled, and the even side is the reverse side, and that is the proper side that you want forward. The other side will look like this. This is the side that you want forward for this work. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.